peeling off Pac-Man. Oopsie. I'm goofing up.
No, you're not. You're doing a good job.
Ah.
It's okay. Okay, Avery, thank you.
Hold on. Don't scramble on the back.
Good job, Graham.
Now all we have to do...
Okay, hold on. You don't have fingernails, so this one's going to be harder for you to get this. Mom's got a fingernail. Hold on.
I'll get these out.
Okay. Let's see.
So let me get this out.
Can you work on this Pac-Man? Show us. So that people can see what it's going to look like. Work right here where Mom started it. Can you peel that? Gentle, gentle. Good. Okay, how about this other piece?
What piece?
We got to get this blue one.
Oh,
wet.
I can.
Good. And what color are you going to... There! There he is, huh?
He's cool.
He is cool. Okay, and then you're going to do... Hold on. Move your arm, please.
Here's this. Now we just got to do this.
Okay, here. You got to get his pellet. Good. You got... And then what are you doing over there?
Uh-oh.
That's okay. That's the good thing about this tape, makes it so that we can't make a mistake, right? Here. Hold on. Hold on, you're putting...
Okay, I don't have to...
Now you're going to leave the ghost's eyes in his mouth. You're just peeling the rest of his body.
I can't
so let's
peel
work
the
on
rest of his body.
Okay, that'll be...